my body. Start from the top. Hypothalamus, ya hana. It sends a message to the Pituitary. Yalla, release hormones. Hurry, hurry. Hypothalamus, Pituitary, sending hormones, harmony. Hypothalamus, Pituitary, sending hormones, harmony. Small but strong Pituitary. It makes GH for body energy. T for thyroid, ADH for water. FH, LH, sons and daughters. Pituitary, Pituitary, small but strong harmony. Pituitary, Pituitary, small but strong harmony. Thyroid gland in the neck, under the voice. TT for give energy and choice. Calcitonin helps the bone. Thyroid works not alone. Thyroid, thyroid, energy and bone, stay strong. Parathyroid, energy and bone, stay strong. Parathyroid, energy and bone, stay strong. Parathyroid gland, four small glands behind the main. Make PTH for calcium chain. Parathyroid calcium, strong bones number one. Parathyroid calcium, strong bones number one. Adrenal gland on the kidney top, shining bright. Adrenaline for fight or flight. Cortisol gives power all day, keeps you ready, come what may. Adrenal, adrenal, strong and steady every day. Adrenal, adrenal, strong and steady every day. Pancreas, pancreas, sweet sugar friend. Insulin, glucagon, balance till the end. Keep sugar level just right. Morning, evening, day and night. Pancreas, pancreas, sweet balance, happiness. Pancreas, pancreas, sweet balance, happiness. In boys, testosterone. In girls, estrogen, progesterone. Goddess, hormones of life, grow and love, free from strife. In Gora, Petrina, strong and steady every day. In Gora, Petrina, strong and steady every day. Pancreas, pancreas, sweet columns, happiness. In boys, testosterone. In girls, estrogen, progesterone. Gudad, Gudad, in my